Hey guys, it's Cabbage Clan, and today I'm going to be showing you my bird, Archie. Her full name is Alfred Aloysius Ananias Archibald Wowzers II. She is a Congo African gray parrot. She's talking a tiny bit right now, not much, but a tiny bit. And she can be really sweet when she wants to be, and really evil when she wants to be. But she's really pretty. I love her little red tail. And so, I love her so much. And we call her Archie, or Archina Wazina for short. And she's 2 years old. And she's really, not talkative. She doesn't talk. She can't talk, even though she was supposed to talk when she was a year old. So that's my bird, Archie, and here's what it poses.
Not yet.
So there's Archie. That's Archie for you. Maybe she'll start dancing. Do you want to dance, Archie? No? Okay. Oh well. All hail Cabbage King!